Why increasing internet speed is so important? A lot of netizens struggle with slow internet speed. Today I'm going to share how I solve the issue of slow internet speed. I am Daniel Hassan, your host for IT Solution on Creative Mind YouTube channel. To start with, there are 5 ways that I use to increase internet speed. The first one is modify DNS server. The second one is turn off background apps. The third one, disable Windows updates. The fourth one, disable alerts and offload. And the last one, adjust internet bandwidth. Okay, so let me demonstrate one by one. The first is modify DNS server. First, we will modify the DNS server. DNS stands for Domain Name System or a server. It is actually a process that translates domain names in IP addresses. To change the DNS server, go to the search bar, type control panel, just go to the network settings, click on network and sharing center, and click on change adapter setting. Okay, go to the properties. Make sure you selected the internet protocol version IP version 4. Just click and go to the properties. Okay, here it is using the following DNS service addresses: 8 8 8 8 and put 8 8 4 4. This is actually a Google's own public DNS. Just click OK. Okay, the second one is turn off background apps. Turn off any apps or services that can run in the background even if you are not using them. Just go to the start menu, click on settings. Okay, here is all setting. Here is the setting. Just click on privacy option. Okay, now scroll down and find background apps. Okay, these are all apps that are running in your PC. Just turn off the ones that you don't want running in the background. The third one is disable window updates. For disabling window updates, go to the search bar, type services. Okay, now scroll down and find Windows Update option. Windows Update option. Okay, here it is, Windows Update option. Just right click and go to the properties. If the service status is running, click stop and change the startup type from automatic to disable. Then press apply and OK. The fourth one is disable large send offload. It is actually a technique of improving in network performance while at the same time reducing CPU overhead. To disable it, go to the search bar, type device manager, select network adapter. Just click on it. Okay, so double click on your network card. If you connect via Ethernet, select Ethernet controller. If you connect via Wi-Fi, you can select wireless adapter. In this example, I select wireless adapter. Just click, go to the properties, just go to the advanced tab. In this case, just go to NS offload for WLAN. This is for wireless adapter. If you connect via Ethernet controller, must find large send offload version 2 IP4. Click and just disable it. Click on OK. If you face any error or any problem, then re-enable it at any time. Okay, the last one is the adjust internet bandwidth. Windows 10 by default keeps away 20% of your internet bandwidth for its operating system and other related tasks, which means you only have 80% of your bandwidth that you can actually use. Here are the steps to get that 20% back for you to use. Okay, so you will need to access the group policy editor. The first step is to enable the group policy editor. Just open the search bar, type run, hit enter, type gpedit.msc, hit enter. It will take some time. Click open computer configuration. Okay, double click on administrative templates. Okay, just go to the network settings. Okay, then go to the QoS package scheduler. Double click it and define limit reservable bandwidth. Just double click it. Okay, so the next thing is click on enable, then change the bandwidth limit is to 0. Press apply and okay. Okay guys, the tips I showed you, in my experience, it is the most useful techniques for increasing the internet speed. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe our channel and give thumbs up. See you in the next video.